right, so we're here on this next project here, looking at a nice car and a nice home. Someone who's living the dream here. AKA this guy here's Mr. Earl. What's going on? This is your setup here, eh?
Exactly.
So what do you think? This car's a fixer-upper or what?
Yeah, I was just looking at it. Yeah, we'll get her fixed up in no time.
I think so too. It doesn't look too bad. It just needs a new, maybe a new carbon fiber hood. Keep the windows off for the sporty value. And maybe some new tires and she'll be good to go. And the house needs a little TLC. I think it needs maybe a couple shingles, a new front door. Yeah, so we got this house here. We're supposed to be taking this down, clearing this up. We're gonna first off start off by clearing up all the trees and brush kind of around the house. So just kind of the brushy stuff and the small trees around close to the house. And then we're gonna go ahead and start peeling off the brick. I think he wants to separate all the brick if we can. We're gonna attempt that, see if we can. So we'll try and get the brick off, pile it to the side, brush to the side. And then in here, there is quite a substantial amount of trash. But I think none of this is intended to be saved. It's just all going into bins. There's zero attempt to save anything here. So we're just gonna go ahead and scrap everything. You see the drywall's coming apart. Yeah, so I think whoever was here just kind of left all their stuff. And we're just gonna be scrapping everything. Oh, this washroom could use a little TLC. There are some video cassettes here and some books inside the personal computer. Huh. What does that even mean? Wish I could give my son a wild raccoon. Huh. Interesting. Okay, anyways, let's get outside, start clearing brush. I just put that on. Just got the nice headgear. Ah, see? Earl loves my headgear setup. Here I was thinking I look like a dork. Man, that is so much fun. Oh my god, I absolutely love having a thumb. What a difference maker. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love with my thumb. And it is the little things that make you happy. Holy, I guess it's technically not a little thing, but little thing in the overall aspect of everything in the world, you know? A thumb on my excavator puts a big smile on my face. Now imagine a quick attach and a swivel bucket. Woo! Holy, put a guy in cloud 9. So yeah, I'm going around the house now. You guys saw me kind of start there with the brick. And that was because, let me just make sure this thing's not going to come against me here. The owner really wanted a video of the, that was pretty cool, The owner really wanted, jeez, what am I trying to say here? The owner really wanted a video of the first kind of demolition happening. So I had to please him there and take some brick down for him so he could see it started. And then now he's taken off. So now we're just gonna kind of go around the house, finish what we were doing originally, which was clearing up all this brush. Oh my God, that is so fun. Holy. I feel all warm and fuzzy inside being able to do that. I've never been able to do that. Wow, that's something else. So now I'm gonna finish clearing up this brush here. Make sure I'm good over here. Nothing in my way. So yeah, once I get this all nice and cleared all around the house, we're gonna start taking off maybe this back addition here, because I think that brick wall continues right along. So we're gonna knock down this back wall here, get rid of all this lumber, and then peel all that brick off. Got some really nice old clay. So I don't know if we can potentially save any of that or not. I'm gonna try. Unfortunately, some of it's are obviously already broken from just being old, but also when it gets taken down and moving it. This next big tree here, I'm just push this guy down that way. That fucking take down the whole house. Close. Would have done my job for me there. That's working smart. Just get a tree to take it down for you. Where do you think you're going, huh? I got a thumb now. Can't mess with me like that anymore. Sure I'm not hitting anything. Pretty good wood right there. I guess while I'm at it, go ahead and take this one down too. Everything's coming down. Alright, let's start with this side of the house here. All right, so we got that addition all down and cleaned up. So now the brick's all exposed. I've got all the brush finally all the way around the house, all cleared up. We got Mario collecting the last bit of it now with the skid steer. So we're gonna have Mario now push all this brush here. He's been pushing it with the Bobcat as I get it with the excavator. There's the front of the house. It's all nice and uncovered from all the brush and stuff. You can actually see it now. Beauty. So today our main objective was to get that addition off, which we did. Clean up all the brush. This was all really thick brush. It all literally looked like this and a bunch of trees everywhere, as you guys saw. right around the front, so we got it all around the house nice and cleaned up, a good 30-40 feet all the way around, so we can comfortably work now. So when we knock down the house, we're not mixing everything up with all the brush and scraping up all the equipment. This way we can just work clean here. So that was kind of the idea and the goal for today, which we seem to have accomplished. That one addition there was about 2 bins full of garbage there, of wood and stuff, and that small addition we knocked down. Tomorrow we're going to start with peeling all the brick. Again, he wants to try and get the brick all separated. That's why, again, I'm trying to keep this nice and clean so we can peel the brick, take it all away. We're stockpiling it over there, and once the brick is all gone, then we start smashing, which I'm looking forward to a lot. Really enjoying this new thumb. This thing is really definitely a game changer, like everyone has told me, and I kind of already was expecting it to be, but certainly a game changer. I have used excavators with thumbs before, but never actually had one set up on a big machine like this one. And okay, some of you are probably laughing that I said this is a big machine, but to me it's big, right? So don't judge. But yeah, no, I'm really excited, really liking this thumb, and it's really making this job a lot nicer and a lot more convenient. Yeah, making some progress, and tomorrow, like I said, hopefully, if not by the end of the day tomorrow, this thing should be pretty well on the ground for the most part. So we'll see how it goes. All right, back here this morning. It's a nice cold, chilly day. Got the machines fired up and warmed up now. We're gonna have to come back here, clean up a little bit of snow now, just clear up some of this here. And I think we're gonna start with knocking down the brick on this wall, and we're gonna take out that concrete step there. And once we get the brick on this wall out, then we're going to try and see if we can collapse the roof, get this wall into that corner, and see if we can kind of get this house coming down. I don't know if we can get some brick around the other side, but yeah, so that's the plan right now. Clean up some snow, start with the brick on this side, get those steps out, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know if the house will be standing after that, because I think it's supported on somewhat on the brick. You can kind of see up at the top there. Oops, up at the top there, supported on the brick there. So I don't know. I think once I take 2 corners out and 2 sides, it'll start just kind of caving in. And we're gonna go ahead and just wrap this one up here, guys. It was starting to go a little bit long, so in the next couple days I'll have the remaining part posted where we finish knocking down the last couple walls, clean up the whole basement. You can see what the basement looks like once it's all cleaned up, all the garbage out of it. Then we go ahead, remove all the concrete, everything, backfill, and you can see what the lot looks like when it's nice and complete and done. So you get the whole picture of what it is, from a house surrounded by bush to an absolutely clear lot with nothing there. You wouldn't even know there's a house there. And we'll have that for you in a couple days. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and as always, thank you for watching.